Alright, we got a 2017 Lexus RC350, and today we are changing the cabin air filter. What you're going to want to do first is take off this cover, push these little tabs up, and the door will come off. Then we're going to take this, pull it straight out. We're going to take this tab, push it in, pull towards us. Okay. And then you're going to do the other side the same way. Pull towards us. That unlocks it. And we can just pull this out. Just like that. Alright, this filter's not too bad. Looks okay. Go ahead and just pull it out like so. The one we have is a little bit better, and I'm going to show you why. Let's get this guy out of here. Alright. So the one we have, see how it's this black color? This one doesn't have any of that on there. This one actually has a little bit of charcoal in it, which helps with the deodorizing the air conditioning, okay? And if we look at the filter here, it says airflow. It's upside down right now, but the airflow is going to be down, okay, just like that. It goes on there, no problem. This one actually fits a little bit better. If you want to get one of these, check the description box. I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can buy one. Super duper easy, correct one for the RC. Everybody buys everything off Amazon now, so slide this in here, lock it in. We get the cover goes in the top first. Sorry. You just lock it in and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.